Hello everyone, we are the Math Moms. And now I'm here to show to you how to solve the easiest way using the formula of linear regression and correlation. Regression takes a group of random variables thought to be predicting y and tries to find a mathematical relationship between them. Correlation, made up of the prefix word ko, meaning together, is the strength of a relationship between variables. So the pet owner wants to predict the weight of his Labrador puppies, which corresponds to their age and weight.
So here's the given data. As you can see in the first column are the age of the puppies in weeks. This should be our independent variable x. And the second column corresponds to their weight in pounds. And that's our dependent variable y. Alright, given the data x and y, let's count all the puppies classified through the color of their fur. So our ordered pair xy is equals to n is equals to 5. Now let's proceed in solving the formula of linear regression. It should be y hat is equals to ax plus b. Now let's first find the value of a. Seems complicated, but believe me, it's easy. All we need to do is add another column. That will be our xy. Next is x squared plus y squared. So let's proceed and complete the data. To get the data on this added new column xy, all we need to do is multiply x from y correspondingly. Let's say 5 times 8 is equals to 40. Do the same procedure to the rest of the numbers. Now let's proceed in getting the data of x squared. Look the x column and squared each number. So 5 to the second power is 25. 7 squared is 49. And finally, the last column. Again, look for y column and squared each numbers provided here. Perfect! But we still need to find the summation of each and every column. Let's start from the column x. All we need to do is add all the numbers provided here. So the summation of x column is 49. Column y is 83. Square of the summation of x is 2401. And lastly, the square of the summation of y is equals to 6889. The table is now complete. Now let's fill in this formula using all the given data. So a is equals to n, which is our ordered pair 5, times sum of xy, which is 916, minus sum of x, which is 49, times sum of y, that is 83, over n, which is 5, times the summation of x squared, which is 543, minus the sum of x to the second power, and that should be 2401. So 513 over 314 is equals to 1.63. So now we have the value of a, which is 1.63. Now, moving on in getting the value of b. And here is our formula. b is equals to y bar minus a times x bar. This means mean of x and mean of y. So in getting the mean of y, look for y column and get its summation. Then let's divide it to the number of terms given. So it's 5. And that should be 16.6. We do the same procedure in getting the mean of x. So 49 divided by 5, and the answer is 9.8. Now let's fill in the formula for b. So b is equals to 16.6 minus a, which is 1.63 times 9.8, and the final answer is 0.63. Alright, now we already have all the necessary data in computing the formula of linear regression. So let's solve y hat is equals to ax plus b. So what is x? Like I told you a while ago, we are going to predict the weight of the puppy in its 20th weeks. X is 20. So now let's proceed in solving the y. Y hat is equals to 1.63 times 20 plus 0.63. And the answer is 33.23. Probably the weight of the puppy. Great! Now we will continue on in solving the formula of correlation. We will gonna use the same data. And here's our formula. Seems similar to the formula in finding A, right? As you can see here, we already solved this part. So all we need to do, just copy the solution in solving A. And we already have the answer, 513 over 314. And then let's solve the remaining formula in this part as shown here. So 5 times 1,547 minus 6,889. And the answer is 846. So how is the proper way to write this since the denominator is in square root? Look closely. In filling in the formula of r, we have to write 513 over square root of 314 times 846. So it should be written in square root. Alright, now let's compute. 513 over square root of 265,644 is equals to 0.99. So the value of r is equals to 0.99. And that's it. Hope you guys understand and follow the easiest steps in solving linear regression and correlation by hand. Thanks for watching.